Alright, I did say good night guys in Australia, but we'll just let them in for a little bit. I'll show you how the girl reacts when she comes inside. She sneezes. Come on, Gil. Come in you come. Good girl.
Hello, Gil.
She sneezes. Oh, you're too beautiful, Gil. You're too beautiful. You are too beautiful. You're blending with the floor there nicely. Doesn't she, guys? She blends in nice. Get out. Hey? You've had your sneezing fit now, hey? You have your happy sneezing fit, girl. Oh, you go see Mumbles. You go see Mumbles. Oh, Gil, you go see Mummy. 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 Oh, look at the girl, she's happy. Alright guys, better pack it in. Time to get going. See you next time. Good night, Australia. Good night.